Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's way too early in the morning. I am not a morning person. At all. Just throwing it out there. I'm not the person you want to talk to in the morning. I'm not the person you want to ask to get you something in the morning. I'm not the person you want to deal with in the morning. I know I haven't been up a lot of vlogs, and it may seem like it may seem like I've fallen off the wagon, but I haven't. I'm just allowing myself not to be perfect. I'm allowing myself to not have to vlog every day if I don't want to, or if I don't like what I have to say that day. So this one will go up because it's been a while since I put one up. I don't want y'all to think I fell off the wagon, because I'm still riding the horse on the wagon, still going with the flow. All right, let's get this day going. It's, I don't know, 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6:50, something like that. I don't know. Everybody have a great day. Thumbs up, comment, smash the subscribe button. I'll check y'all out in just a little bit. Hello, welcome to a Pillow Talk. Well, we're starting the day out. I do believe we started the day out here. We're going to finish the day out here. It was a good day. Snowy day over the weekend, so of course parking stunk. But I have two SUVs, so you know, right through it we went. I found a spot, no problem. Like I said, I went right through it. Came home, took care of animals, and then went to the dentist. I take really good care of my teeth. I really do. I have a mother who has passed away now, but who had horrible teeth. She just genetically came out with horrible teeth. She ended up with almost all implants. I have one implant that I'm waiting to finish, and that's it. So I have some crowns, and I have a couple root canals, but I have to get 2 root canals. Not happy. But aside from that, and that being my only thing, I don't have any cavities. My teeth were really clean. The hygienist was like, your gums don't even bleed. I was like, because I floss. Now I was a dental assistant for 10 years. So in that, I learned to always brush my teeth, always floss. And yeah, but I have, like many women I have Sjorgensen's disease, which dries out the eyes and dries out the mouth. And when you dry out the mouth, when there's no saliva, it doesn't clean the teeth while you sleep, so your mouth gets dry and you end up with more decay. So other than the 2 teeth that need root canals because they have cavities under their fillings, I'm doing pretty good. So I really can't complain too much. Tomorrow is the Lunar New Year, Chinese New Year. We don't have school here in New York City. Thank you, a day off. I'm actually gonna try to make some content video because I have some packages that I need to open that I got 2 packages from 2 people on TikTok. So I'm going to do my very best to do those videos tomorrow, and get them uploaded. So yeah, that's it. Love each and every one of you. Thumbs up, comment, and smash that subscribe button. And I'll check y'all out tomorrow.